Okay, so here it is. This is the piece that I just made a video that was sanded back. So this is just like the yellow part here. And then kind of around here was where I had some red laid down. And then the very end was just blue. So what I just did is I mixed up a little yellow dye and a little red dye. And you can see I just got like a paper towel here. And I reapplied yellow starting here. And I pulled the yellow down to right about there and I stopped. And then I grabbed the red dye and I put the red dye starting here and I pulled it right about here and I stopped. And then I grabbed the yellow and I pulled the red up into the yellow. So with the yellow rag, I got some red on it and dragged it up. And then I sort of folded it over, grabbed a dab of fresh yellow, and then just pushed down to right about there, right where I thought I was going to hit blue. So the basic idea is that it's pure yellow, and then it's yellow overlapped with red to make orange. And then hopefully just the smallest amount of like mostly red, but a little tiny bit of yellow, but not so much yellow that when the yellow touches the blue and the purple, that you get a green. So the idea here is to buffer the yellow and blue with red, which will complement both. And then ultimately, with the sandback, you can see that you not only get that sort of like multicolor effect, but you get this beautiful, pure light yellow and sort of red color on top, especially down here, with that darker color sort of lying in the pores. This is not like the perfect finished example, and again, this is sort of like what it looked like before. But ultimately, I'm gonna let this dry, see what this looks like when it's bone dry, and then reevaluate.